Hello, how are you all everyone? Today I talk AfriJet online check-in system, how to check AfriJet Airlines. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjahan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. So AfriJet Airlines check-in system. At first Google Chrome browser open here, then typing here AfriJet web check-in, web checking, then enter. So first link AfriJet fly afrijet.online. This is the AfriJet Airlines website link. So click here this link. Yes, this is AfriJet Airlines website. Very simple and good design website. So many picture. Scroll down. So at first check-in option, click here. Two options showing. This is the checking option. Second checking option, click here. This is the checking page. This is checking page. At first booking reference typing here. Booking reference mean 6 PN number typing here. 6-digit PN number typing here. Then last name typing here. Then charts, click here. Then fill up your information, passport number, passport country, expire date. Then seat select, manually select, manually seat select or random seat select. Then finally your boarding pass showing. Download your boarding pass or print your boarding pass, then airport. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.